Hi guys, it's me Gian and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for this day, I will be talking about value-added tax kasi isa siya sa mga requested ng ilang mga subscriber ko na din dito ng mga small and medium entrepreneurs. So yung mga may-ari ng business na gusto nila na sila lang din yung mag-asikaso ng mga taxes nila. So or maybe yung iba gusto nila meron silang background kung paano i-compute yung taxes na binabayaran nila. So before we start, VAT or value-added tax, it is defined as a business tax. It arises from sales of services or sales of goods, pero magiging VAT-able lang yung transactions kapag yung business nyo po is registered as a VAT registered business. So, kadalasan sa mga nagsisimula pa lang na business, yung maliliit pa lang, so, yung business tax na binabayaran nyo is percentage tax. So, you can see sa certificate of registration nyo sa BIR, makikita nyo doon kung ano yung taxes na kailangan nyong i-file. So, pag value-added tax, kayo na-classify or na-belong, makikita nyo na may nakalagay doon na value-added tax. So, you have to file monthly and quarterly na value-added tax. Yung form na gagamitin is 2550M at saka for the quarterly VAT, 2550Q. So, paano nagiging VAT yung classification nyo? So, pag yung sales ng isang business, for example, you started your business small, pero at the end of the year, yung total gross income nyo umabot sa threshold which is required for a business to be registered as VAT. So, yung current na threshold na binigay ng BIR is 3 million. So, pag umabot ng 3 million yung gross sales nyo for the year, so automatic kailangan nyo mag-update ng registration. For example, percentage pa yung current registration nyo, you have to update your registration into value-added tax. So, magiging VAT na yung classification nyo for your business tax. So the key point here is, pag umabot kayo ng 3 million, kahit hindi pa kayo na-identify ni BIR na VAT registered na, kailangan voluntarily na mag-update kayo ng registration nyo sa BIR bago pa kayo maunahan ni BIR na mapadalhan ng letter. Kasi pag naunahan na kayo, di ba, yung VAT rate ng Pilipinas is 12%. Tapos, kung percentage tax lang yung binabayaran mo, so yung dati na percentage tax rate is 3% of the gross sales, but then because of the CREATE law, naging 1% na lang siya. So the difference sa binayaran mo na taxes for your business tax, pwedeng singilin ni BIR sa inyo. So kung binayaran mo for the business tax is only 3% or 1% lang, so less dun sa 12%, yung 9% or 11% kung 1% lang yung binayaran mo, plus penalties na pwedeng singilin ni BIR sa'yo pag naunahan kayong mabigyan ng letter of authority ni BIR dahil kulang yung nire-remit nyo na tax kasi umabot na nga kayo sa threshold na 3 million na kailangang maging VAT registered na kayo. So, kailangan i-check nyo yung COR nyo kung VAT kayo or non-VAT. Pag VAT kayo, so kailangan VAT din yung bayaran nyo. Tapos, pag umabot kayo ng threshold, kailangan automatic mag-update ng registration para maging non-VAT into VAT na yung registration ng business. So, paano i-compute yung value-added tax? So, yung main formula lang ng VAT computation is output less input tax. So, saan nanggagaling yung output tax? Output tax is derived from the taxable sales. So, for example, yung gross sales nyo is 100,000. So, gross sales equals 100,000. Para makuha, so inclusive of VAT pa yung gross, diba, na 100,000. So, inclusive of VAT na 12%. So, para makuha yung taxable sales, kailangan yung i-divide ng 1.12 yung gross. So, 100,000 divide 1.12. So, 100,000 divide 1.12 equals 89,285.71. So, ito yung taxable sales nyo. Tapos, from your taxable sales, you will compute 12% para makuha nyo yung output tax. So, 89,285.71 times 12% equals 10,714.29. Ito yung output tax. So, yung input tax naman, it is derived from your purchases. So, for example, meron kayong purchases for the month na gross amount of 80,500. So, same pa din yung formula to get the taxable purchases. So, taxable purchases is equal to 80,500 na gross divide 1.12 equals, meron kayong taxable purchases na 71,875. So, para makuha nyo yung input tax, ganun pa din. So, taxable purchases divide times 12% is equal to 8,625. So, nakuha nyo na yung output tax at saka yung input tax. So, pwede nyo nang i-compute kung magkano yung babayaran nyo na VAT for the month. So, meron na or nakuha nyo na kung magkano yung amount ng output tax at saka ng input tax. So, pwede nyo nang i-compute kung magkano yung i-remit nyo sa BIR for your value-added tax for this current month. So, the amount of output tax is equal to 10,714.29 less input tax na 8,625. So, meron kayong VAT due na 2,089.29. So, ito yung babayaran yung tax sa BIR for this month. So, for example, may na-receive kayo kasi meron kayong transaction sa government. So, meron kayong government sales or income. So, may ibibigay sila sa inyo na form, withholding tax certificate na form 2307 at saka 2306. So, yung 2306 na 5% ng sales to government, pwede siyang i-deduct sa VAT form na babayaran nyo. So, for example, sa 2,089.29 na babayaran nyo sana, pero sa BIR na VAT due, pero meron kang nakita na out of that 100,000, may portion doon na sales to government, tapos mayroong withholding certificate na 2306. So, kung magkano yung amount withheld, pwede nyo siyang i-deduct or i-credit sa amount due. Merong portion sa BIR form na 2550M or 2550Q na creditable amount for the government sales. Kung magkano yung amount na withheld, i-deduct nyo lang. For example, merong 450 na 2306 for that month. So, 2,089.29 less 450. So, yung babayaran na lang is equal to 1,639. So, may advantage ba kung isa kang VAT registered na business? So, in my experience, meron. Kasi for some line of business na naging VAT registered, lalong-lalo na yung involved sa mga wholesale and retail wherein marami silang purchases. So, mas advantage talaga sa kanila yung pagiging VAT registered kasi 'di ba, pwedeng maipasa yung VAT na tax kasi kung magkano yung sales mo tapos meron kang corresponding na amount of purchases, so bumababa yung VAT due mo for your business tax. Hindi kagaya nung sa percentage tax na automatic based from your gross sales yung computation. So, may mga business or line of business na advantageous sa kanila yung pagiging VAT nila. Kasi the more na meron silang valid na purchases, pero kailangan tandaan nyo din na pag VAT registered kayo, yung supplier nyo dapat should be VAT registered also para makapag-claim kayo ng input tax. Kasi hindi kayo pwedeng mag-claim ng input tax kung yung supplier or yung nag-issue sa inyo ng resibo is non-VAT. Kasi, so, you have to remember na kapag VAT registered taxpayer kayo, yung business nyo, kailangan yung supplier nyo din from a VAT registered business also. Kasi, para makapag-claim kayo ng input tax, kailangan nyo ng valid na VAT receipts. So, kailangan, ano yung mga valid na VAT receipts? So, yung in-issue din ng VAT registered business. Tapos, makikita nyo sa ibabaw or sa heading na VAT registered yung resibo. Tapos, kailangan naka-fill in din yung mga information kung kanino in-issue. So, dapat na-issue din siya sa business name nyo or sa taxpayer mismo na naka-register. Hindi pwede na issued to or cash lang or naka-blanco. Dapat yung date din valid for the transaction date talaga. Kasi mga resibo or purchases na last year or 2020, hindi nyo na pwedeng i-claim yung input niya for 2021. So, kailangan din, importante na merong computation ng gross, ng taxable, at saka ng amount of input tax sa baba or yung 12% na VAT sa baba. Kasi pag dumating kayo sa point na chinek talaga ni BIR yung resibo or purchase receipts nyo for validity, kailangan kompleto yung details na nakalagay, lalong-lalo na dapat meron talagang computation ng gross taxable at saka 12% na VAT para maging valid siya to claim ng input tax. Tapos, aside from that, yung pwede lang makapag-claim or pwede nyo lang isupport sa purchases na valid na resibo is one, yung charge invoice na sinabi ko. Hindi pwede yung collection receipt, hindi pwede yung delivery receipt. So, yung charge invoice kung inutang siya, tapos sales or cash invoice pag binili nyo in cash. Yung mga supporting na resibo, hindi siya valid to claim input tax. So, next, kailan yung deadline ng filing ng value-added tax? So, we have monthly and quarterly VAT. So, for monthly VAT, yung deadline is every 20th of the following month. So, for example, for the month of January, yung deadline is February 20. So, kailangan yung i-file on or before February 20. Kung na-fall into weekend yung day ng deadline na February 20, extended siya till Monday. So, for example, yung Monday will fall on 22nd day. So, pwede pa siya kasi meron siyang extension pag weekend na-fall yung date ng deadline. So, for the quarterly VAT naman, first quarter, which is the January to March, deadline niya is every 25th of the following month, ending the quarter. So, January to March, March 31 yung first quarter. So, every April 25 yung deadline for the first quarter. Tapos, sa second quarter naman na April to June, so July 25. So, meron siyang allowance na 5 days for the quarterly. Pero, mas maigi na makapag-file kayo earlier para iwas sa penalties. Yung forms na 2550M or 2550Q is available on the BIR website. So, pwede kayong makapag-print ng manual print ng form, tapos kayo na lang mag-fill in ng amount for your computation of VAT due. Pwede din kayong mag-download ng EBIR form na latest version. So, thank you so much for watching. So, sana meron na naman kayong bagong natutunan regarding this topic. And for more questions and clarifications, feel free to drop by the comment section below yung mga questions nyo. Nagre-reply po ako. So, please don't forget to subscribe sa mga hindi ko pa po mga subscriber. Thank you!